Hello viewers, today I'll be showing you on how to check on ECCMIS if a file has been assigned to a registrar or judge. So I'm going to log into my system. I'm going to use any of these cases for us to check. Maybe let me use this second one. Of course, when it opens, you can check from here in front. You can see the registrar is this one and the presiding judge is this one. But for more details, you come to case details, and here you can see more information. For example, like we had seen, the registrar is Mastula, but initially it was given to Champere Dorothy, who was discharged on this case, and the case was given to Mastula. So likewise down here you can see that it is given to Okaya Thomas. This is the judge. This one here up is the magistrate. So yeah, basically that is it. That's a simple one. If you like the video, like, subscribe and comment. If you have any comment you want to make, or if you want to make any correction, if you want to correct me, because I'm also new to this system, please go ahead and comment. Thank you.